How to create Snapchat public profile. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to make a public profile on Snapchat. Open your Snapchat app. After you open Snapchat, now go to this as can see now profile. After you open your profile like this, now go to this public profile. In this public profile section, all you need to do now, you can tap on this as can see now this image. So in this section now, go and select a picture for your as can see now for your back. So I'll just go ahead and select like this one. I will use this TikTok image. So after you select the image, you can use your hand to resize the image like this. After you finish resizing your image, tap on this upload button. So tap on this apply. So now I apply as can see now here is the back as can see now back image. So now tap on this as can see now this pencil icon. Now upload the profile. Now go and select profile from your image as can see now camera roll, or you can tap select image from your Snapchat memories. So for me, I'll just go ahead and select this one. So you can use your hand to resize the image like this. After you finish resizing your image, tap on this confirm button. So now here is now my profile picture. So now in this section now add a bio. After you finish adding bio, in this section now go ahead and type in your city, your state, and here your country. After you finish adding all this information, now tap on this back arrow again. So as can see now here is the information now. In this section now, as can see here it says show followers count. Now tap on this as can see now this one. After you enable this option, all you have to do now tap on this back again. So as can see now here is my public profile on Snapchat. If I tap on this section now, here is now my profile and here is my public profile. As can see now here is now my public profile. Hope this video helps you out on how to create Snapchat public profile. Thank you for watching guys. I'll meet in the next video.